Hey, what's up, y'all? I'm back with another video, and today we have the viral sensation, the grinder sandwich, y'all. I'm gonna show you step by step my take, my version on this sandwich, y'all. So if it looks good and you into it, sit back, let's go. Alright, y'all, so first I'm just gonna start with my large French roll that I picked up from my grocery store. It is nice and soft, and it is the perfect bread that I want to use for this. So after that, y'all, I'm just going to brush it with a little bit of this garlic infused olive oil, which I can already tell is going to quickly become one of my favorite ingredients to use, y'all. Then I'm just brushing the top of it, y'all, with that olive oil, and then I'm just going to sprinkle on a little bit of oregano, y'all. So this is like my knockoff Italian herb and garlic bread, if you will. Then I'm just going to place that in an oven on 375 degrees for about 10 minutes or so, just to let that olive oil and those herbs kind of crisp up and toast in to the bread, y'all. Then I'm going in with my cheese, y'all. And if you see, I put a little bit more of that olive oil on there as well. And so I'm going in with some provolone cheese, some smoked provolone cheese, some jalapeno pepper jack cheese that I picked up from my deli, as well as some parmesan cheese freshly grated over the top. Put it in the oven 10 more minutes so it can melt up, y'all. Now these are my meats I'm using. So I have some roast beef I'm putting on there, y'all. I love roast beef. You can use whatever kind of meat you prefer. This is totally customizable, y'all. Then I'm going in with some turkey that I also picked up, y'all. I love turkey. And then my final ingredient that I always love to use in any kind of sub sandwich is just some plain old pepperoni, y'all. I love pepperoni in this. Do not come for me on this meat combination, okay? It is what I like. It is what I choose to eat. So do what works for you, y'all. Then I'm just gonna place that in the oven again for about 10 to 12 minutes or so those meats can kind of cook and toast up a little bit. But now, y'all, while that's in the oven, I'm going in with all of my different ingredients as you see on this screen. I'm gonna go through them as I put them into my mayo base, y'all. First, I'm just going to finely shred up some lettuce, y'all. One little small head of lettuce, y'all. Then I'm going to cut up 2 tomatoes. Now, y'all, it is time to build it up. So I'm going in with my sun-dried tomatoes, 1 clove of garlic, a little bit of red wine vinegar, some of these olives with pimentos in them. Going in with some banana peppers, which I love in any kind of sub sandwich, plus some of that juice from there as well. Going in with some cayenne pepper to make it spicy, some horseradish to also make it spicy, as well as some spicy brown mustard, y'all. Then I'm going in with a little bit more of that oregano, going in with some pepper, and then I'm going in with a little pinch of sugar to kind of like mellow out those different seasonings, y'all. Then I'm going in with a little bit more of that garlic infused olive oil, mix it all up together. Now you're going to add in your shredded lettuce, and this is what's going to really make it that grinder sandwich, quote unquote, is because you have to really grind up your mouth and really chew into it when you're eating this stuff, y'all, because of this just mayonnaise rich kind of like salad that you're creating here. And now I'm just going in with finishing touches, some pepper, some more of that spicy brown mustard, as well as some cayenne pepper, y'all. And look at this, y'all. This is the salad, quote unquote, that we made up to go on the sandwich, y'all. And it would almost be complete, but I added in some red onion, y'all. Now this is what the sandwich is looking like out of the oven. So now it is time to go in with that salad that we made up, y'all. This stuff is so flavorful, so briny, so peppery, so spicy, just everything that I really wanted in this sandwich, y'all. So now add as much or as little as you like. As you can see, I'm going with a heaping couple of 4 or 5 big old spoonfuls of that stuff, y'all. Then I'm going in with my raw onions. I am also going in with those tomatoes that we sliced up, y'all. These things are so juicy and so fresh, y'all. And of course, you have to season your tomatoes, so I'm going in with a little bit of salt and pepper. And I'm also, as you see right here, putting in some more of that garlic infused olive oil, y'all. I love this stuff so much. So now, y'all, it is time to really just dig into the sandwich, and I really couldn't wait. And it really was so good, y'all. So I'm just gonna close this little thing up as much as I can because that bread kind of toasted up a little bit and curled into itself, y'all. Now it is time to cut into it, y'all. This stuff is just so messy, and you just got mayonnaise everywhere and peppers popping out here, tomatoes popping out here, y'all. But this stuff was so good, and it really delivered in that grinder kind of like messy salad kind of vibe, y'all. This stuff was so good, and I definitely had leftovers, y'all. Definitely did, y'all. So of course, the obligatory sandwich shot. You know, you gotta see everything that's all up in there, y'all. So I did not disappoint, and I'm showing y'all exactly what this sandwich is looking like. This thing was so good. I definitely ate it the next day for lunch, and It really was one of the best sandwiches I have made in a while, y'all. So y'all, I really hope you enjoyed this video, y'all. But I ain't done yet. I still have to dip some chips into that little salad that we made up, y'all. Everybody was raving about that on TikTok, so let me go. This is what I did, y'all, and it really was good. I mean, a little bit overrated, but it was still good. It was still good. But the sandwich is definitely messy enough for you to just have a whole lot of chips to just dip it all up in, y'all. But y'all, I really hope you enjoyed the recipe and the video and all that good stuff. You can hit that like button. You can leave me a comment down below. You can even subscribe to the channel, y'all, for more videos just like this every single week. All right, y'all. I'll see you on the next video. Later.